So hey family, doing this little short little grocery haul because I'm gonna make some low carb blueberry muffins to go with my tea in the morning. I'm gonna make this other chicken recipe. So I had to go get the little stuff. You know, I'm starting to drink a little sparkling water. So let's go through this little short little haul. I had stuff yesterday, but I forgot to show you guys. So I'm gonna make these cauliflower mash. I'm gonna add a little twist to them. I got some little golden potatoes. I got this, what is this? Granola. I'm gonna make something healthy with that. I'm gonna show you guys that. I got these low carb wraps. We're gonna make something real delicious with that. I'm gonna share that. I want to try these little healthy air fried French, what is these? Potato chips. I'm really gonna cut them out, but I just want to try those. This is the little bell peppers and, you know, all the little stuff that we cut up. The yellow peppers, the green peppers, all the little stuff. I got some cucumbers from Sam's Club yesterday. I took these eggs out because I need that for my little recipe. I got the little lamb. I'm going to marinate that and I'm going to cook that. I showed you guys the blueberries. Oh, I got this ice cream because you know what? I have a recipe for a protein breakfast shake and you use ice cream. I got to use dairy free because I tried the Halo, but that didn't agree with me. Got some Halo, like the spread is sugar free. Halo, not Halo, Walden Farms. This is the orange spread is sugar free. Got that. I don't think I got no bread though. Huh. I'm going with the sparkling water. You know, I'm adding my own little flavor to it. I want to give that a try. I got these chicken thighs. I'm going to do a healthy fried chicken recipe. You're not going to want to miss. So stay tuned for that. Got me some pumpkin seeds, something to snack on. But yeah. Oh, you know the peaches. I got fresh peaches because I'll be like to make the little crisp. You know, so I'm going to do a twist on that too. With the granola. So you're not going to want to miss that. So yeah, in fact, I'm probably going to combine my little grocery haul with the recipes because it's so short. All right, so stay tuned. Let me give you one last look over so you see what's going on. All right, see you when I make the recipes. Stay tuned. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hey, this is me, Jazzy, in case I didn't say. Hope everybody's been doing well and everybody had a great weekend. Stay tuned. Check you out in a minute. Okay, so I'm making some toasted blueberries muffins with butter. So we have to make brown butter. So I just made my little brown butter. You can see the color. I have to stir it back up with all the brown went to the bottom. But you can see the color is not the same color like regular butter. And so this is the brown butter. I probably could have let it brown a little more. Yeah, I probably could have. Yeah, maybe I will, just a minute or two. Left the fan going on. Anyway, I put it back on there. Look how you see it's turning brown. So that's what we want. We want it to be brown. We keep moving it back and forth on a low heat. And this is the star of the muffins. Alright, so I'll show you when we put it back in the bowl. When it gets brown. More brown. Alright, be right back. Right here, I just add all of my ingredients. I'm just mixing everything up. This is just all the liquids ingredients, like my eggs, my almond milk, everything like that. So I'm mixing that up. Now I'm coming with my little dry ingredients. I'd have almond flour in it, baking powder, a little bit of salt. Okay, so I got a couple of blueberries. We're going to add them in here. We got to gently fold them in here, they said. I think the next time I'm going to put some nuts in here. We want to keep them whole. Gently fold them in. We're going to gently fold them in. I already got my oven preheated to 350. All right. I'm going to put them in get my little cooking sheet and my little cupcake liners. Make sure it is all mixed up. All right. Hopefully I had it going around. Wasn't all fun off to the angle. I should have put a few little walnuts in here. What you think? Oh, maybe some pecan. I'm going to throw a few little nuts in there. Okay, so I got them in the little muffin tins. They're supposed to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, they're supposed to make a topping on it. Like a salted butter with maple syrup topping. But I'm not going to. I'm going to mine just like this. Because I'm having with my tea. Or my coffee. Most likely tea. I don't really drink coffee too much. All right, we'll show you what they're going to look like. Okay, so this is what they look like. Oh, they look good. Yeah. Can't wait to try this. Look at the whole little blueberries. Some of them still look whole and intact. All right. Oh, and it smells good. I wish you guys can smell it. All right, you got to cool off. Good morning, people. You know what? I forgot I was going to show y'all the muffin I made. I've already broken it in half, but this is how it looked. You can see all the blueberry fell out. That's why you fold them in. They still whole. So, this is low carb. It's made with almond flour. It got like monk fruit for the sweetener. It is really good. Can you see how whole the blueberries are? I got my cup of tea with my collagen in it. Oh my God, this is so good. So I just want to come and share with you guys. Remember the muffin I was making when I bought the stuff that I want to share with you guys. So this is the muffin. I have the pictures. I will insert those, okay? Hope everybody's having a good morning. See you in the next video. I want to thank everybody for being here, supporting my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You know, become part of the family. You won't be disappointed. Like I said, I'm on this new low-carb journey, and I'm taking you guys with me.